Hello everyone, and welcome back to yet another Fam 2 Cents cooking video and another installment in the HelloFresh series. Today's dish is one I'm excited to talk about. We're going to talk about the fully loaded pork taquitos, and we're going to break the rules just a little bit this time around and say up front that this dish is a must get from HelloFresh. With that said, let us go ahead and take a look at the ingredients we'll need for making this dish. Yellow onion, ground pork, Southwest spice blend, Tex-Mex paste, flour tortillas, Mexican cheese blend, 1 lime, Roma tomatoes, sour cream, guacamole, and hot sauce. And as per usual, the ingredients that they want you to have that they do not provide is salt, pepper, vegetable oil, and olive oil. Moving on to the process to make this dish, it was pretty simple, granted you actually follow the directions as instructed. This dish only had 4 steps and 4 visible kind of photos to show you what needed to be done, and I feel like the skill level of this dish is really easy. Like, literally anybody should be able to make this with very little issue. Although, if you are an idiot like me, you will partially read the instructions and miss steps, and then have to redo things over again, like rolling all of the taquitos with the meat and completely forgetting that there is cheese involved, then needing to unwrap the oiled tortillas, refill them with with the cheese, and then rewrap them. But don't be stupid like me. Please carefully read the instructions. To be honest, I can't really say that there are any tweaks that I would have made to this. The dish was pretty freaking awesome, from the guacamole to the tomato, onion, and lime salsa that they had you make. It was just great. There was no real complaints from me at all. I really love dishes like this because whenever I have something like maybe a burrito or a quesadilla, did I almost just say quesadilla? Did I really almost just say that? Oh my god. I'm shutting down the cooking channel now. It's over. I'm sorry guys. I'm sorry I've wasted your time. No, I'm just kidding. Quesadillas or, anything like that, I like the tortilla to be really crispy. And not a lot of people like it like that. Burritos and stuff like that, they want their tortilla to be soft. Not me. I like it to be crispy. I'll put it in the air fryer so it'll crisp up or whatever and add that extra textured layer on the outside. I think it's really good like that. So taquitos they're baked. So they come that way. That's how they are, and you put the guacamole and stuff on afterwards, they still remain pretty crispy or crunchy after that, and that's what makes them my favorite. I really love them for pretty much that reason alone, if not anything else. And obviously the fillings are good. You can put whatever you want in them. It's just the possibilities are endless with food like this, and I really enjoy not only making it but eating it. So this was kind of a given. I guess the results were bound to end up this way because this is just my speed. Like, the type of food that I really enjoy to eat, and any opportunity I get to make something like this, I'm probably definitely going to take it. That all being said, this obviously goes on the absolutely will try again list. It's one of those things that, I don't think I'd be able to pass up. If it was on the list of things that I can get that month from HelloFresh, I'd probably end up getting it because it's just really good. It'd be hard for other things to compete. So, awesome. My family liked it. I liked it. Definitely a pick. One thing I will say, guys, is these videos have been very fun to make. I really do enjoy making them. And HelloFresh has been a fairly good service for both me and my family. I don't regret using it at all thus far. But this channel is not sponsored by them, nor is it monetized. And the only way to get there is for you guys to check out these videos, hit that like button, and make sure that you're sharing. I really appreciate everybody who's been doing so. We've gone up quite a few subs over a short period of time, and I'm very grateful for that. So if you guys are enjoying these videos, please do what you can to share them, get them out to other people, and have people check them out. It really helps the channel, and I will appreciate you for it. So, hit that button, because why not? Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.